I'm really excited today because I'm about to show you our new listing at 514 5th Concession West in Flamborough. This is west of Highway 6 up in West Flamborough. And it's really amazing because they've taken an old century home and actually lovingly restored it. While it's all brand new inside, it actually has this old world charm that is really, really incredible. You're gonna wanna check this out. And the best part about today, aside from the sunshine after all the rain we've had, is I've already seen a cow.
The homeowners have recently constructed this new 3-car garage. You can park a lot of cars out here. The gorgeous brick home features the original triple brick and double brick and new windows that have been made to look like they were original to maintain that old charm.
And even though we have a country property that's on well and septic, it's actually on natural gas, which is amazing. As you come through the front door, you'll notice a separate dining room, laundry room, the kitchen's all redone. Upstairs we have 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms. This place is really kitted out.
Everybody knows that when you entertain, the real party is in the kitchen, and everyone likes to gather around the island. Well, with this 10-foot plus island, you're gonna be hosting the party of the year.
Because of the triple brick construction and the attention to detail and keeping this house as original as possible, these window wells are so deep and beautiful.
A lot of the original details have been kept intact, including these solid wood banisters and these beautiful original floors on the second floor. There's a couple different options for primary suite in this home depending on your needs. Here's the first one, with a gorgeous bedroom, ensuite washroom, and open walk-in closet.
This 5-piece ensuite includes double sinks, a separate tub, and a cool little water closet. Your second option for a primary suite is the attic space in this home that's been completely converted from an attic to this incredible suite. It includes a big closet and a 3-piece ensuite bathroom.
How about this property?
Yeah, I mean, 36 acres, you've got farmland, you've got trees, you've got a big stream back there. It's pretty amazing. It goes way, way back there. Like way, way back here.
best thing about this house is you can get your fresh eggs right next door.
Oh my God, let's go. That's so good.